Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. D again. Today we are going to do a tenpin bowling activity. You will require a tennis ball or some ball that is very similar. You will also need 10 bottles of water. I've made 10 spots on the floor where you will place the water bottles on. So, bottles number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Level 1 is about 3 meters away from our target. Right? I am going to have 3 turns at level 1. Our cues for bowling are: make sure you're holding the ball in your dominant hand. My dominant hand is my right hand. Always looking at your target, facing your target. You're going to swing backwards, step with your opposite foot, bend and bowl. I have knocked down 2 bottles, which means I have 2 points for this round. I go back to my level 1 for my second turn. Facing my target, swing, step, bend and roll. I've only knocked down 1 bottle of water, so I have 3 thus far. I have 1 more turn at level 1. Facing my target, swing, step with my opposite, and bowl. I have knocked down 4 bottles of water, so in total for this round, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 points for round 1. At level 1, I want you to do 3 rounds of 3 turns. So that is 3, 6, 9 turns you will have at level 1. When you have completed level 1, you will set up all your bottles again. After each round, 10 bottles of water. And you will move to level 2, which is about 5 meters away. It is a little bit more challenging, where you will attempt 3 turns for each round. And you must have 3 rounds at level 2. I want you to give that a go and see how many bottles of water you can knock down each round. Challenge yourself and do your best.